How to redeem a Xbox gift card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to redeem a Xbox gift card. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Follow these quick steps. First, press the Xbox button on your controller to open the guide while signed in into the console with the account you want to apply the code to. From the guide, select Store Now. Once opened, press the View button on the controller to open the side menu and select Redeem. Now, enter the 25-character code without the hyphens, then follow the steps to finish redeeming. And with this, if the code was entered correctly, the credit or content will be applied to your account. So this is how you can redeem a Xbox gift card. If you found the video helpful, smash that like button, comment if you have any queries, and be sure to subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.